Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to another video in our UiPath Data Service series. In our last video, you learned how to download multiple files from the record field in UiPath Data Service. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete a file from a record field in UiPath Data Service. And for the demo, we will use delete file from record field activity. This one, delete file from record field. So let's get started. I'm going to show you UiPath Data Service. So here you can see we have three records V04, 5 and 6 where we have attachments, or you can say files available here. So I'm going to show you how to delete this file from UiPath Data Service from the entity records. So I want to delete this V005. For this record I want to delete this attachment. Okay, so now save here, and now we'll have that record here. From this activity, delete file from record fill activity, we need to select entity. So select that entity which you have imported here. If you don't know how to do this, please go through my previous videos. Now here we have record ID. In the record ID, so we will take this output records. So here we will write that output records of 0 dot id. So here the GUID, that record ID will be passed here as a record ID. And now from the field we need to select that the field where we have the attachment, or from where you need to delete the attachment. Let's click on run. Okay, so this has been successfully executed. Let's open UiPath Data Service. Now let's refresh that. Okay, now you can see we are getting upload option here. It means there is no attachment here. So this way you can delete the files from record field. This video is useful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more UiPath tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.